Today I'll demonstrate long and short stitch. This is often used to create a smooth fill in an area that's too long for satin stitches, like you see in these gray buckets. And it can also be used to blend multiple colors of thread together within one area. I'm using one strand of floss, and first we'll make some straight stitches of varying lengths coming from the edge of the area that we want to fill in. It doesn't matter if you do these backward like back stitches or forward like straight stitches for the first bunch. I tend to do it either way, honestly. We're just making them close together and slightly varying them in length. So if we have a batch of stitches here, but imagine that we want to fill in a much wider area as we go, that's more than our stitch length, we need to start making more batches of stitches. Now, if we were to bring our needle up right where each of these first stitches ended for the next batch, you'd end up getting an indent or a bump at that point where the stitches go through. So we don't want to come up there. Instead, what we want to do is come up between any two of our stitches, anywhere within their length. And I often come up at varying points. So you want to go kind of back deep in between two of these stitches. And you want to keep your stitches straight. I'm working at a funny angle because of the video, so I realize mine are not very straight today. But by burying these stitches back in there, and again, you can vary the lengths of these stitches, just keeping them to a reasonable stitch length so that they will be strong and tight when you finish. And you keep doing the same thing as you work from left to right. So once you have that area filled in enough, you just pick another spot that's deep within that second set of stitches and go forward. So as you continue to fill it in with the one strand, it starts to all blend together, whether using one color or multiple, to fill in the area smoothly. And you can keep going for very long lengths in big sections of long and short stitch because each individual stitch is a normal stitch length. And just by overlapping them and always coming up deep within your previous bed of stitches, it will eventually create a smooth fill. And that's it for long and short stitch. Thanks for watching.